So, is Misha Sydney.
Agus is Misha Áine.
Agus Táid chun an Cailín Aerach Aerach.
What are your family name? Your surname?
Oh, I'm Sydney Madill. It's Misha Sydney Madill.
Do you want my real name?
I don't care. You can use an alias.
That's
even
a nickname. Anyways, I'm Áine, and my last name is Watterson.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Hermite in the Downig Ramaffer in the Stad. Fi Doctor who gachig Nelly Haley. Fi na borda mulas and tolag lehan. Fi she on is near all she brendas and fall the dalda dairo. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the deedalai deedero. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the deedalai deedalero. Snora hanya gawaya naffer in the stad. Da hies in a hakka shoulda gwalishkele. Maar met die straks begonnen nu een glary. Is de lieve she gone woo en mon Cailín Aerach and fall the dalda dairo. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the deedalai deedero. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the deedalai deedalero. Agus Corla Verimsha the Cailín Yoga. Gava Magade Nakidakta Nanoigar. Oh, Chapta Waya Galuam Ranona. No more in the Gorban Mallet and Boher and fall the dalda dairo. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the deedalai deedero. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the dalda dairo. Fall the deedalai deedalero.
I paid close attention to Áine's harmony so we can sing it together now.
No, we're good.
That's what this is really about.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
So you're gonna sing another one for us?
Yeah,
Sure.
Alright, so now, no, Anish. Táid chun Arthur McBride. Aerach. Right. Oh, me and me cousin one Arthur McBride, as we went a-walking down by the seaside. Now mark what followed, and what did betide, for it being on Christmas morning. Out for recreation we went on a tramp, and we met Sergeant Napper and Corporal Vamp, and a little wee drummer, intending to camp, for the day being pleasant and charming. Good morning, the sergeant did cry, and the same to you, gentlemen, we did reply, intending no harm, but meant to pass by, for it being on Christmas morning. But says he, our fine fellows, if you will enlist, it's 10 guineas in gold I will slip in your fist, and a crown in the bargain, for to kick up the dust, and drink the king's health in the morning. For a soldier he leads a very fine life, and he always is blessed with a charming young wife, and he pays all his debts without sorrow or strife, and always lives pleasant and charming. And a soldier he always is decent and clean, in the finest of clothing he's constantly seen, while other poor fellows go dirty and mean, and sup on thin gruel in the morning. But says Arthur, I wouldn't be proud of your clothes, for you've only the lend of them, as I suppose, and you dare not change them one night, for you know if you do, you'll be flogged in the morning. And although that we are single and free, we take great delight in our own company, and we have no desire strange faces to see, although that your offers are charming. And we have no desire to take your advance, all hazards and dangers we barter on chance. We would have no scruples, or send us to France, where we would get shot without warning.
Oh, now, says the sergeant, I'll have no such chat, and I neither will take it from spalpy nor brat. For if you insult me with one other word, I'll cut off your heads in the morning. And then Arthur and I, we soon drew our hots, and we scarce gave them time for to draw their own blades, when a trusty shillelagh came over their heads, and bade them take that as fair warning. And their old rusty rapiers that hung by their side, we flung them as far as we could in the tide. Now take them out, devils, cried Arthur McBride, and tempered their edge in the morning. And the little wee drummer, we flattened his pow, and we made a football of his rowdy dow-dow. Threw it in the tide for to rock and to row, and bade it a tedious returning. And we, having no money, paid them off in cracks, and we paid no respect to their two bloody backs, for we lathered them there like a pair of wet sacks, and left them for dead in the morning. And so, to conclude and to finish disputes, we obligingly asked if they wanted recruits, for we were the lads who would give them hard clouts, and bid them look sharp in the morning. Oh, me and me cousin, one Arthur McBride, as we went a-walking down by the seaside. Now mark what followed, and what did betide, for it being on Christmas morning.